Let us discuss about social psychology. Social psychology is the scientific study of how people think, feel, and behave in social situations. This field of psychology explores how social interactions shape individuals and how individuals, in turn, shape social interactions. Social psychologists investigate a wide range of topics, including social influence, social cognition, interpersonal attraction, prejudice and discrimination, group dynamics, and social identity. One of the key areas of focus in social psychology is social influence. Social influence refers to the ways in which people are affected by others. This can include conformity, where people adjust their behavior to match the norms of a group, and obedience, where people comply with the commands of an authority figure. Social influence can also involve persuasion, where individuals are convinced to change their attitudes or behaviors through the use of various tactics such as appeals to emotion or reason. Social cognition is another important area of study in social psychology. Social cognition refers to how people think about and interpret social information. This can include how people form impressions of others, how they make judgments about the causes of behavior, and how they perceive and interpret social situations. Social cognition is also concerned with how people make decisions, particularly in complex or ambiguous situations. Interpersonal attraction is another area of interest in social psychology. This refers to the factors that influence how people form and maintain relationships with others. Researchers in this area study factors such as physical attractiveness, similarity, and proximity, as well as the role of emotions, personality, and communication in interpersonal relationships. Prejudice and discrimination are also important topics in social psychology. Prejudice refers to negative attitudes or beliefs about members of a particular social group, while discrimination involves unfair treatment of individuals based on their membership in that group. Social psychologists investigate the underlying causes of prejudice and discrimination, as well as strategies for reducing these negative attitudes and behaviors. Group dynamics is another area of study in social psychology. This involves the ways in which individuals interact within groups, including how leadership and decision-making processes are influenced by group dynamics. Social psychologists also study the factors that contribute to effective teamwork, as well as the challenges that can arise when groups are formed based on factors such as ethnicity or gender. Social identity is another key area of study in social psychology. Social identity refers to the ways in which individuals define themselves in relation to social groups. Researchers in this area study how social identity shapes attitudes, behavior, and intergroup relations. This can include how individuals form and maintain group identities, how they perceive and respond to intergroup conflict, and how they negotiate their own identities within social contexts. In conclusion, social psychology is a rich and diverse field of study that explores the ways in which individuals are shaped by social interactions and how individuals, in turn, shape those interactions. This field of psychology encompasses a wide range of topics, from social influence and cognition to interpersonal attraction and prejudice. Understanding social psychology can provide valuable insights into human behavior and help us develop strategies for improving interpersonal relationships, reducing prejudice and discrimination, and promoting social change.